Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a notebook for each class. Name it with subject and semester so it's searchable. Create a default folder and enable iCloud Sync now because you'll want notes on phone and laptop. Next, build 2-3 reusable note templates. Lecture, reading, lab include date, objective, and tags. Once done, duplicate the appropriate template before class so you don't lose time formatting. This setup speeds capture and keeps content consistent across courses. You'll now focus on capturing and structuring information efficiently. During class, use headings and indented bullets to create a clear hierarchy. Turn action items into checklists so nothing is missed. When you get handouts or slides, insert photos or PDFs and annotate directly. Apple Pencil makes diagrams quick and precise. Add short audio clips for complex explanations. Then tag notes with class, topic, and priority so you can filter and retrieve them fast. Once tagged, review is much simpler. Finish by turning raw notes into study assets. Schedule a weekly review, summarize main points, and convert them into study cards or a single summary note. You can share a notebook with classmates, set their permission to view or edit depending on collaboration needs. Make backups by exporting important notes as PDF. If you hit a sync problem, force close notes, check iCloud storage and account settings, then reopen. If that fails, sign out and sign back in to re-establish syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.